Lenovo Tab P12. Fuel your ideas on an expansive screen. Your key to superior, downtime-filled entertainment. Experience vibrant 3K streaming and immersive gaming on a 12.7 screen. Multitask effortlessly with up to 4 split screens and up to 5 floating windows. Discover reading mode with background music for immersive reading. Optimize productivity with the optional ThinkPad-inspired keyboard. Taking notes, signing documents, editing photos, and sketching is easy with the included stylus. The Lenovo Tab P12 tablet is to take some time for yourself. Enjoy cinematic sound and sight from anywhere with 1080p streaming quality and 4 JBL speakers that are Dolby Atmos tuned. Relax fully with the sophisticated ambient light adjustment that is tailored for your viewing enjoyment and adjusts to the brightness of your surroundings. You may sit, stream, and unwind with a 12.7 screen made for your amusement, whether you're between courses or studying for a test. 10,200 mAh battery capacity, you can go from streaming to gaming to reading without pausing for a plug-in. The Tab P12 tablet. Featuring a 13-megapixels ultra-wide front camera with AI face tracking and RGB sensor, stay in focus within a 50 cm (19.69) range. Compatible with Zoom, Teams, WhatsApp, and Google Duo, the Tab P12 takes your video calls from good to exceptional. From work meetings to friend catch-ups, make every interaction a clear and vibrant experience.